3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
How to make orange donuts in less than 5 minutes. The ingredients are milk, 3 big oranges, flour, wet yeast, 3 egg yolks, butter, chocolate or sugar to cover the donut. Start cleaning and drying very well the oranges. Rinse the zest of the 3 oranges, being very careful of not taking any of the white part. Watch your fingers. Cut the oranges in halves and squeeze them. I use a hand squeezer because now the oranges are very fragile and hard to squeeze, as they have no peel on them. I use a cooking machine as it is easier and faster, but if you don't have it, you can do it by hand. Add the yeast to the machine. Add now the milk. If you don't have vanilla sugar, you can add some drops of vanilla flour. Also add 30 grams or 1 ounce of sugar. Close the machine and program it to activate the yeast. Separate the egg yolks. I usually use the spoon method to separate it. Once the mixing is warm, add the egg yolks, the orange juice, and the butter. Finally, add the flour. Start first with 380 grams, close the machine and program it to beat all together. My dough is very sticky. This is the moment to add the rest of the flour. I forgot to add the orange peel in the previous step, so I have added it now. Mix again to integrate the rest of the flour and the orange peel. As you can see, now the mixture is still sticky, but it is not totally covering my fingers, so if I use some flour in my hands, I will be able to work very fine with it. Do not add more flour to the dough. This texture will ensure very soft donut. Make about 12 big balls and let them rise in a grease-proof paper or a specific oven paper covered in flour. Heat sunflower oil or any other flavorless oil in a frying pan while the balls are growing. Add the rest of the orange juice to a pan with 3 to 5 spoons of sugar and heat until it reduces to half or 1/3. Be very careful while frying your donuts. It should take around 1.5 minutes per side and you don't want them very dark, so adjust the power of the heat. You can see here the texture of the donuts that we have. They are soft and the inside is just like the commercial ones. They are perfect. Once you have finished frying them, it's the moment to cover with the orange syrup. Please be very careful as it is melted sugar, so let it cool down before you use it. I like chocolate donuts, so I have melted chocolate to cover some of them. And now they are finished. Get a glass of cold milk and enjoy them!